Welcome to Sheet Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Simplify data exchange between apps with Sheet Director, query data, post info from Sheets to apps, and keep everything in sync. In this video, we will see how Sheet Director can help you to automate the integration between Google Sheets and Mailchimp. Let's launch Sheet Director and choose Mailchimp from the available list of applications. I will name the service as Members Query Service. I'll then choose the service named Query, which gets the members from the Mailchimp. We will connect to Mailchimp. Mailchimp is connected now. To identify your data center, log into your Mailchimp account and check the URL for a segment like US11. This indicates your data center. Now I will enter the data center and then choose the Get Lists. I'll choose the members object, and then select the required fields from the fields list. Additionally, I'll also set the max results to 25, limiting the members' data to 25. For the destination settings, I'll select the Query Members Sheet tab to present all the values from Mailchimp. By default, it begins from cell A1. Also, we have the option to create a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon. And turn on or off the Include header and Clear Sheet before getting the members. I will proceed to execute by clicking on the Execute button. Upon successful execution, we can see that the chosen fields from the list are effectively brought from Mailchimp and seamlessly presented within the selected sheet. Now, let's look at how to create Mailchimp members from Google Sheets. Let's make another service and name Members Post service for creating the Mailchimp members from the sheet. I will choose the Post service. Then I will enter the data center and choose the Get Lists. Now I will select a specific entity from the list. At this point, I have the choice to use an existing template or set up the process manually. For now, I'll opt for the template. Applying the template will automatically populate sample data to the spreadsheet, and it will establish automatic mapping using the template. This mapping guides us on where to place the resulting information in the status and result columns. In the sheet, you'll notice columns labeled Status and Result. These fields will provide you with the status of the posted records. If these fields are not there, these can be easily created by clicking on the plus button or choosing from the column drop-down. The mapping aligns the fields between the sheet and the Mailchimp. We can manually map by using the column drop-down. To create a new mapping, you can simply click on the plus icon. Deleting a field mapping is as easy as clicking the delete icon above each mapped field, except for mandatory fields. Feel free to use this sample template data and make any necessary updates. Now, I will proceed to execute by clicking on the Execute button. Initially, the status in the status column will indicate Ready to Post. Upon execution, the Execution Control panel will appear and tell us how many records are ready to post in the Mailchimp. At this point, we have two options, Post Now and Close. I will click on Post Now, which will create members in Mailchimp. After successful execution, each record will be updated individually in the status and result columns. You can also see the links to the created Mailchimp members. Clicking on these links will allow us to view the newly created members. With Sheet Director, you effortlessly harness the magic of Mailchimp members. Seamlessly query and display your Mailchimp member data right within Google Sheets. Experience the future of organization and data synergy with the Sheet Director. Thanks for watching the video.